Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Dogecoin. If you guys have not been paying attention to the Dogecoin chart in the past 24 to 48 hours, let's just say you missed out on a lot of big juicy things you need to keep up to. Also, the XRP CEO talked about Dogecoin. There's a lot to cover, but before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so, but YouTube algorithm will push the video out to more people. More people will see the incredible side of Dogecoin, they decide to buy into it, start spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profits. Make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart of Dogecoin and show you guys something very interesting that happened exactly 24 hours ago. As you can see, this big spike that took us all the way down from 21.4 cents all the way up to 23.6 cents, which is close to a 10% gain in under 1 hour. And the big factor impacting this was obviously our boy Elon Musk. Now we will get more into it, but before that, I want to show you guys the technical analysis about it. After the spike, you can see we did have a retracement, and at this point we're back where we started. And the reason behind this is the whole cryptocurrency market is on a downtrend at the moment. You can see that Bitcoin is down close to 1% or 2%. Ethereum is down close to 1.5%, and when we did have this initial spike, you can see on the RSI line we were in a very strong overbought zone. This obviously meant that there was going to be a lot of whales that would decide to sell due to the fact that right now the whole cryptocurrency market is on a downtrend. But overall, it is great to see that Elon still holds so much power when it comes to the price of Dogecoin, and suggesting that the Doge 1 mission from SpaceX will be launching in the first month of 2022. We can just see when Elon makes the announcement, we will have some sort of explosive momentum for Dogecoin. But overall, if we look at the trend of Dogecoin, you can see this lower low was about the same as this one. It was really hard to predict in terms of what is happening with the price, and the next lower low is just a tiny bit higher. If you guys remember, when we were looking more into this last time, we talked about the fact that Dogecoin is no longer actually in a downtrend, more likely in a consolidation period between the point of 23 and 21, because the strong, very strong zone that we will have to break out of is going to be 26 cents. As soon as we break out of this resistance, we will be able to start climbing up a lot quicker. But overall, it's really good to see that the whole crypto market is on a strong downtrend, but on the other hand, Dogecoin is on a consolidation period, holding onto the price very strongly. By the way, last video we talked about that Dogecoin actually slipped out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap, and today we can confirm that we are back in the top 10 market cap. Avalanche is obviously a little bit lower and down to 20 or 11th slot, and Dogecoin is in top 10. Now at this point, I just want to quickly talk about a pioneering BSC token that lets you stake your token while playing in some hottest casino games. Now this is a new token that you can invest in because it's really cool if you guys like playing online casino, and there is going to be a staking platform that will be coming out, obviously impacting the price of the token, and this is probably a good type to buy in. If you do want to check out this token, it is called Nevada. The link will be in the description. Let's get back into it. Now talking about the 4 hour chart, you can see that it is obviously looking like we were on a downtrend, but again in the past 48 hours we're starting to look strong as the strong consolidation period is starting to form. Just keep in mind, while the whole cryptocurrency market is bleeding out money, if we can just stay in the consolidation period, this will be good, because when everything starts climbing back up, Dogecoin will be one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency compared to any of the other ones. All we need to do is just hold on to the price as strong as possible. Now I want to show you guys the big reason behind the spikes that came in, and that is our boy Elon Musk. So about 12 hours ago, our boy Bill actually responded to this tweet saying the core focus of the My Doge official vision is to break the dependence on the CEX, like Binance and Robinhood. Let SHIBs take custody of their own coin. Not your key, not your crypto. And Elon actually responded to that by saying exactly. So he's obviously suggesting to the fact, try to keep your crypto in a hard wallet, which you can actually purchase from a lot of different locations. Do not keep it on an exchange such as Robinhood or Binance, because they do not allow you to actually have control over it. When the market is moving rapidly, they will actually slow down and sometimes even block the transactions. You will not be able to withdraw the crypto, and that is what Elon is talking about. Another tweet that Elon did was this one: "Sheeps, you are not powerless. You can gain more control over Dogecoin. Do not put your crypto into lending programs like Gemini, Voyager. Do not use exchanges as wallets. Hold your crypto in your own private wallet and take liquidity off the table." Really? And then Elon simply responded with wisdom. Do I agree with this? 100%, because when you do keep it in an exchange, the exchange can on the back end sell and buy on a big number, and that can impact the price. But if you have it in your private wallet, that is not actually being used by anyone else and the liquidity is in your hands, so it doesn't actually impact the price of Dogecoin. You are the only one holding onto it, so it's a pretty big deal. And then the Binance CEO actually decided to make an announcement by saying CEO CZ is aiming for an improved perception by regulating of its global entity, he told the Financial Times. Elon responded by saying, "Hey CZ, what's going on with Doge customers? Sounds shady." Elon, we're pretty certain it is an issue with the latest Dogecoin wallet. We are communications with the devs. Apologies for any inconvenience that might have caused you. And then Elon responded, because he actually put out a tweet, or actually an article, saying Tesla having a glitch. "I don't use Binance. Tried at one point, but the sign up was too many hoops to jump through, so no inconvenience to me personally, just raising this issue on behalf of the other Doge holders." And he said, "Appreciate it. I overreacted a bit due to the word shady." And then Elon said, "It sounds good. Everything is okay." Obviously, he is making sure that every Dogecoin holder is happy with the Binance. And again, hey, dogs in space. Netflix came out with a new show for kids. Is this suggesting towards Dogecoin? We do not know. It's just really interesting to see around this season they are coming out with a show called Dogs in Space. And Ripple CEO actually talked about Dogecoin for inflationary dynamics. He said that Dogecoin is not really good. Personally, I'm not happy to see that, because I am a supporter of XRP. I'm actually not convinced, somewhat controversial, I guess, that Dogecoin is good for crypto market. Dogecoin has some inflationary dynamics itself that would make me reluctant to hold. I mean, he's not saying something extremely bad about it, but at the same time, I don't like that he's saying that he doesn't want to hold the coin. But moving on, as you can see, CoinKit today tweeted out saying the trend seems to be breaking in as the symmetrical triangle is closing in, most likely ending in a bull run. And finally, I want to show you guys this, which is Hotbit is actually doing they're giving away 132 billion Dogecoin. That is some big number to hear, but that will be shared between a lot of different wallets. And finally, just the price prediction. It seems to be showing that most likely the price will push to 26, which is going to be the strong resistance where we will be staying from. And from that point on, we will be able to make the decision which way we will be going with Dogecoin from that point on. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.